98 degrees right now. Look at this. Look at that. Look how crappy all this is. So bad. What is up, YouTube? This is my 2016 Mustang GT. I've got a GT 500 spoiler, taillights, an exhaust. I've got a preloaded Bama tune. Added 15 horsepower, so I should be up around 445, 450, around there. That's about it. Oh, and I got the carbon fiber dash with the carbon fiber down there. Don't mind the mess, it's super dirty in here. But yeah, that's all the mods I've got so far. What up, guys? So it is 1 o'clock right now and I'm at my storage unit cleaning it out. I got my bike I'm working on right there, and I got all this crap to clean up. I took the daily today. There she is. Not bad little truck. But yeah, I got all this crap to clean up. I will see you guys whenever I'm done with all this.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I...
Alright guys, I just about finished it. It's looking pretty good now. A lot of the junk is picked up and swept out and thrown away. I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like now. It's not bad. Most of the junk is back there. And then it's not too bad now, actually. I wanted to try to get my Mustang in here for the winter, or at least whenever it snows really bad. I got the storage unit all cleaned out yesterday, but look outside right now. Look at this. All snow. So I'm in the daily right now. There's the Mustang. What up, YouTube? So right now I'm in my storage unit, working on the bike. I gotta get the starter motor off from here. Then I gotta put it on the new motor right there. And I just barely got the clutch cable hooked up. I got all of the lines and everything. I got clutch, I press this in. Right there, see it? And then I also got the throttle cable, and I need to put the starter motor in, and oil, engine cover back on, and then hopefully that will start. Okay, I've done about as much as I can do. I've taken off really nothing. I've just put more junk back on. I've put this, I put the clutch cable back on, I've put the throttle cable back on. I need to put the cover back on, but I need to wait for a starter motor because I just ordered one. And then I need to hook up the battery and all these little connectors. This connects to the negative, or the positive, sorry. And then this is just ground wire. And then I need to get oil. And then it hopefully should just start up, because I've already got a spark plug in it. So yeah, it hopefully should just start right up. So now I'm just waiting on a starter motor. What up, YouTube? So right now I'm in my storage unit, working on the bike a little bit. I'll show you guys what I've done. So now I just need to get the other cover on, is right there. I need to get that on, put on the bike, because I got the gasket sealer, I got the cover back on, starter motor is in and connected. I got all the lines connected already. Clutch cable is connected right there. And that's about it so far. That's all I've gotten. I will update you guys if I find any other things to work on or I get it started, but we'll find out. I know it's kind of dark right now, but I'm at my storage unit. and the freaking bike started. I will take clips tomorrow of it and show you guys how it sounds and everything. I can't believe it, man. It freaking started. After 3 months. Oh God, I can't wait to ride it. What up, guys? So right now I'm at the storage unit working on the bike again, and we got the cover back on. We got all the covers. We're getting the exhaust on right now finally, as yesterday's clip was kind of sounding like a bubble. But I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. So we got that side of the cover on. The exhaust right there is setting with JB Weld high heat. We got that side on. Clutch cable's all hooked up. Starter motor is connected and everything. Got the wire hooked up. We need to get these in there. Battery, old batteries over there. It blew up literally yesterday. We got a new battery. Solenoid is right there. We're gonna electrical tape all the wires, make it all clean, tuck it away. Brake wires are right there that I need to tuck away. And put the seat on, and it should be rideable tomorrow. What up, guys? Right now I'm just chilling in the daily, the truck. The bike is just chilling over there. JB Weld high temp is on the exhaust setting right now, so really I can't touch it. I need to make sure that exhaust doesn't move at all. Tomorrow should be the first ride of the bike. Finally, it's been 5 months of working on it to get it to this point. It's gonna be pretty fun, and yeah, I'll update you guys when the first ride is here, or if I find anything else. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little update right now. Okay, so I got most of the cables all tied up, solenoids all tied up. Still waiting on the JB Weld to dry on the exhaust with the heater going right now. And I got solenoid right there. You can see the zip tie all freaking electrical taped up. And that's as far as I got so far. Hey, what's up, YouTube? So right now I'm at the storage unit. I'm gonna show you the progress on the bike. So here's the bike right here, and we ended up welding the exhaust onto the bike, and there's another weld over there. I'll show you that. There's the other weld right there. And yeah, right now the bike is running absolutely amazing. It's a great bike. It pretty much maxes out at like 50 miles an hour, 55 around there. But I got a new thing. Freaking, it's a Grom knockoff, but I'm gonna make some videos on this. This thing is amazing. It right now is faster than that. This, I topped out at 57 on this. Most of you probably won't get 57. I'm not calling y'all fat or anything, but I'm skinny and I'm only 80 pounds, so this thing is perfect. But yeah, that's the progress on the bike so far.